Hey there Dev Squad, Virtus here, and today we have got a really exciting announcement to make, something that you guys have been asking for quite a while now. Dev Squad merch. Introducing the Dev Squad store, a new online store featuring awesome game dev designs made for game developers by game developers. We've currently got a couple of different designs available, such as Code Monkey, smashing bugs, debugging, all of which are available at devsquadmerch.com. This is just the start, this is just the beginning, and we have got plenty more on the way, with new designs being added every single month. Every purchase benefits the game development community, allowing us to make more educational content. Having said that, spread the word and develop video games and look good doing it. To celebrate our launch, we're currently going to be running an opening sale, giving you 10% off the entire range. Check it out now using the link in the description. That's it for now guys. As always, stay awesome, keep creating. Your boy Virtus, signing out.
This video was made possible by my supporters on Patreon. If you want more videos like this, check out my Patreon page using the link in the description. To stay up to date on new releases, make sure you follow us on social media.